So this is going to be a quick demo of the inference node application. First, we're going to come over to the pipeline builder. To build the pipeline, we can come to one of these templates and select the webcam object detection. We can choose from different inputs here, but it's automatically selected the webcam for us. And I'm going to choose from YOLO 11 Nano. It's already selected the Ultralytics inference engine for us. And I'm going to run it on the Intel GPU. I can select where to then send the result, but I'm going to just select the null destination, so that just basically discards them. We hit save, and I'm going to go ahead and create another one so we can run two in parallel. But this time I want to run another model on this. I want to run a pose model. So I'm going to go to upload, and we can go and select another pre-trained YOLO model, pose medium, and we hit download. Now that's downloaded, we can go back to our pipeline builder, select our template. This time we're going to select the YOLO 11M pose, and we won't bother sending the results anywhere. We'll save that pipeline. Now we can come over to the pipeline management. We can see our pipelines. I've already got one set up here that's streaming an RTSP stream from a camera outside my front door. I'm just going to go ahead and start these ones here. As soon as you start the stream, it takes a little thumbnail so that you can see what your stream is about without having to watch the live stream continuously. So now I'm going to enable these. And there we go, we can see that we've got our streams running fairly quickly. We've got latencies and uptimes and the average frames per second that we're seeing. And of course I can go ahead and enable the live stream from the front door camera. At any point we can disable the inference of that stream, so we can just get the live feed from the camera, or we can turn the inference back on. One of the most recent features is the auto discovery of other nodes on the network. So I'm going to go ahead and just stop these ones for now. So if we go to the node discovery tab, you can see I've got other devices on my network with the same software installed. This machine has 3 pipelines, only one is active. This machine has nothing running at the moment. No pipelines, none active. And I can click on this and we can open it up and we can see that there are indeed no pipelines running on this machine. So I can go back to my other one, and let's say that I want to move my RTSP stream processing from this device onto my new node. So I'm going to go ahead and stop that one. Export. That's going to download a zip file with all the config and the actual model file itself. I can come over to my other device, import pipeline. That's going to import the model, all the config for the RTSP, all the URLs and whatnot. And then if I just hit start on this machine, let's enable the live preview. And there we go. Oh, we've got an errant message up there. And we've got the live stream from that new device. So it's the same pipeline. I've just moved it to a different machine. And I can delete it from this other one. And we refresh the node discovery page. You can see that this system now has one pipeline and one active pipeline. And of course we can return to the pipeline management of this current node, and we can start all of the streams that are available on this machine. And then of course we can enable all the previews. So that's the current state of the inference node project. I do plan on releasing it fairly soon, so stay tuned.